What is up, guys? We finally got some cool weather, you know? Let's see if she starts. I love this bike, man. It's so reliable, dude. You can turn it on or like leave it off however long. Don't even need a battery tender. I mean, I probably will need it in the future. But almost 2 months, man. I've not been giving her love. Well, I got a package here. We're gonna give it to FedEx. Well, the Walgreens. And then just, you know, drop off shit, ride a little bit. Z111. Yo, how have y'all been, man? Woo, it has been a hot minute on the bike, bro. What is this, a Hyundai? This looks kind of like old school, but also new school too. Oh, we're not turning right. Yes, sir. I am home. Oh, well, I was, but you're trying to call for dad or something? He should be up. Yeah, I'm at the Walgreens. I just rode the bike for a little bit to drop something off. Yeah, he's in the shower. Yeah. Okay. Alright, what that? My uncle. It's kind of dark in here. No, sorry. I got the ND filter on. Yeah, just drop off, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Just as easy as that. That lady may want to make it all difficult. This lady's like, this dude causing a whole ruckus. Oh, my hips cramp. Y'all, it's been a long time. Let's have a little TED talk. And a lot of things happened since my last couple videos, guys. So if you didn't watch the bike life update video that I recently posted, it was just talking about, like, you know, stuff that I've been doing, blah blah blah. But I've been trying to get on the bike more, man. That's why today I forced myself. It's a nice weather today, you know. Gotta burn up the fuel that I put in it 2 months ago, basically. So it's running a little not, you know, as clean as she should be running. But that is okay, guys. A lot of y'all like the flyby videos. Let me know if y'all want some more flybys, you know. I could do it a little better, to be honest. Pick up this mirror. Anybody behind me? I get so many questions about the mirrors, guys. I mean, get them if you just want the aesthetic look. But if I couldn't find a really good position for them on the bike. to be like comfortable and like see everything. Other than, I guess this is okay, but it's just not optimal, you know. So I got a comment from last time about like asking about the DJI mic and how to kind of basically use it. I mean, I explained it pretty well in the comment to him, but if you guys like have some issues, like let me know. I can make a video of it, you know. But I have the DJI mic mini. Let me know how the audio sounds, guys. It's pretty simple, you know, but I also put it on -12. You know, I'll just do, should I just do it right now? I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. I'm not saying that like, I'm not saying it in a you're a dumb way. I'm saying in a you know, this is like this, you know, kind of like that way. But basically, you gotta, it definitely helps if you download the app, right? You gotta download the DJI Mimo app, whatever, something like that, right? You gotta download that, and then that's when you can play around with it better. You can make it into mono or solo or studio or something like that, whatever the case may be. I forget which one is which, but stereo or studio, whatever. One of them makes it where you can record separate audio on both mics, right? And then the other one is just mono, right? Which is you just record, you know, on the both mics with just one audio. Why that takes so long to say? But yeah, so once you get there, right? Once you get there, you can like fiddle around with it more. I put it on -12 dB, all right, decibels, because the bike is pretty loud, wind noise is pretty loud, all that jazz, right? And your voice in the mic is like really close sometimes, so that shit can get really loud. So I kind of quiet it down just a notch. -12 is good. And then you can even you can like edit it even more in the, you know, whatever program or you use, shit like that. I use Adobe Premiere, so I just edit the image and edit like the coloring and all that through there, right? You know, I get lazy to ride. That's why the bike doesn't really have that many miles on it. Cause like I'm worried about the resale value, even though I did already laid it down. So that probably marks it off a lot. But you can get those things fixed. Like it's like a little tiny dent on the tank, just a little bit. But man, but the second I get onto it, back to it, man, I got ADHD, bro. The second I get onto it, I just miss the riding, man. I just love it. I just enjoy the sound, you know. It's just beautiful, man. Some great news, though. I got my final interview with Oracle. Yes, I know you're probably like, oh, don't breathe in the dust, please. But you guys are probably like, oh, Oracle's a bad company. I mean, yeah, I know they laid off like hella people. But it's all right. You know, I didn't really check my tire pressure. I should have done that. Oh well. But I got my final interview for Oracle. Hopefully I get that. I get a better job, better pay, you know what I'm saying? And then better content for y'all. What you looking at, bro? freshly paved road. Look at this shit. This shit is clean. Whoa. Wow. I love the bike. I'm sorry I can't do no wheelies or anything. I'm a respectful citizen, okay? I've done like tiny little baby power wheelies, right? But never, you know. So sorry if my content be boring for y'all. It's not meant for that. It's meant for older folk that just like the sound of the cruising of the bike, you know? That is what I aim for right there. That is my crowd. So if y'all are hoping, I mean, I used to be a hooligan, I guess, cutting through traffic and stuff, whatnot. Right. Oh shit, I forgot my music. Oh, whatever. That way I can talk to y'all. That's why I've been talking a lot more, because I got no music. You don't like my music? Why? Because I'm gay? Oh, so listen to Barbara Streisand is gay. Homophobe much? I don't know if y'all know that skit from Key and Peele, where it was the homophobe office, whatever. That's just so funny, bruh. Homophobe much? Redesign this whole area. So sexual, bro. The fucking pops. The fucking pops, man. Not my dad. The pops of the bike. I'm stupid, bro. Sometimes I just be talking. Shit, should I take on my... Ah, it's too late. I don't need the phone. Fuck it, whatever. I'm just waiting for my fucking RAV4, bro. It's just taking so long to get here. Everybody wants the RAV4. Is it really that hot of a vehicle? Is it really that hot of a vehicle? Like... I never knew the RAV4 was like that. Until I got into it, you know. I started looking at it and I was like, ah, I see. And I was like, yeah. Virginia is really infamous for having people stay in the left lane when there's nobody in front of them, and then they just like to drive slow as shit. Right? I think they're coming out with a new law or something that you cannot camp the left lane anymore. So that shit needs to hurry up and pass, because you'll get a ticket if you are just cruising in the left lane. I'ma let you know that, buddy. I wanted to rip it a little bit. Bro, I would hate to mow the lawn on incline or decline type of terrain, bro. That shit look hard as hell. She is a G for that. That's a lady, right? That look like a lady, bro. The only one gripe I have about this bike, maybe because I need like a better mud deflector. It just has so many pebbles every time you end up, you're done riding. It just has so many pebbles that fly up on the seat. Oh shoot, let's go see the dog. You guys haven't seen him in a while. Where are you, man? Where were you? Where were you? Hey, sweetums. Oh. Butt scratches. They love the butt scratches, dude. He don't know what to do.